In the world of drones, there existed a remarkable creation known as the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It was a marvel of modern technology, designed to capture the beauty of the world from the skies. Whether you were a novice embarking on your first drone adventure or a seasoned pilot upgrading to the Mini 4 Pro, this drone promised an exhilarating experience. As you unwrapped the sleek packaging, you were greeted by the drone itself, a compact and powerful marvel of engineering. The controller, a gateway to the skies, awaited your command. The excitement bubbled within you as you prepared for your first flight, carefully selecting the perfect location to unleash the Mini 4 Pro's potential. With the guidance of experts, you learned about the drone's features, its advanced imaging capabilities, and its ability to navigate obstacles with ease. The first 3-inch CNOS sensor, the dual native ISO fusion, and the 3D infrared sensing system were like magic spells that unlocked a world of possibilities. The time came for your maiden flight. As the propellers whirred to life, the Mini 4 Pro soared into the sky, capturing breathtaking aerial views with its f/1.7 aperture and 2.4 millimeters 4-in-1 pixels. It danced through the air, effortlessly maneuvering with precision and grace. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, or even 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the Mini 4 Pro seemed to defy the constraints of time itself. It was a companion on your journey, faithfully capturing every moment and memory from a unique perspective. As the sun set on your first day with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, you marveled at the footage you had captured. It was a testament to the beginning of a new chapter, an adventure filled with endless possibilities and boundless horizons. The DJI Mini 4 Pro had become more than just a drone. It was a storyteller, weaving tales of exploration and discovery from the skies above. And so, with each flight, the DJI Mini 4 Pro continued to inspire, empowering you to see the world in a new light and share its beauty with others. It was a journey of creativity, innovation, and above all, the joy of flight. The DJI Mini 4 Pro was not just a drone. It was an invitation to explore, to dream, and to capture the extraordinary. It was a passport to a world without limits, where the sky was no longer the limit, but the beginning of a grand adventure. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel now to watch more videos like this. Like and comment, and give your opinion.